third down. The blitz coming. It's picked up and across the middle. McCaffrey, who's got a first down at the 47.
It's number 84, and then Russell Shepard, 19. Everything's coming in. You saw right there, Levante David thinks he's going flat, and he overcommits to the flat. Christian McCaffrey was coming back inside.
Complete at midfield, and for a first down is Russell Shepard, the one-time Buccaneer. Cam Newton to throw, and open down at the 15-yard line for another Carolina first down is Ed Dixon.
You're really trying to sell this run as hard as you can. You see Andrew Norwell pull, and then you drag your tight end across the field.
Hand off, dive for Jonathan Stewart, and he's in for a touchdown.
In a scrimmage, and you can see Carolina, it's a stalemate. That's a good effort by Jonathan Stewart. You know, credit Tampa Bay. There was not a lot of movement there. You can see everybody kind of blocked up. That's just a great effort by Jonathan Stewart breaking the plane.
And that is reviewed and confirmed for a touchdown, so Gano will have the extra point.